Good afternoon, all the dignitaries present here, all the senior homeopathic doctors and junior homeopathic doctors, and dear students. I am Dr. Kalpana Rakhunde, representing here from Saili Homeopathic Medical College. My topic is efficacy of homeopathy in management of migraine, evidence-based case series study. I have chosen this topic because in day-to-day life, headache and migraine is very common. Everyone experiences it very commonly. Migraine and headache are global disabling conditions causing considerable individual suffering and impaired quality of life in adults as well as in children and teenagers. Therefore, epidemiological studies are essential to assess the scope of the problem. Migraine most commonly seen in females because of the hormonal imbalance, dietary factors, contraceptive pills, and psychological factors, sometimes hereditary influence also. Migraineurs experience a variety of subtle, systemic, mental, or psychological and premonitory symptoms which precede the aura and headache several hours or days. Migraine causes losses into millions and billions when people start missing work. 90% of this problem comes from those with severe migraines. Many people with less severe pain plunge ahead. However, even this causes losses of productivity, and treatment in modern medicine is not satisfactory. The study was conducted to study the efficacy of homeopathic medicine, especially Nitrum muriaticum, in management of migraine. The study was conducted to study the efficacy of homeopathic medicines, especially Nitrum muriaticum, in management of migraine. Here, for study purpose, 30 cases were selected. Simple random method where 15 patients were prescribed with Nitrum muriaticum and 15 cases were prescribed with placebo. If we see the age incidence in the study sample, I have taken the 4 groups. First group is of 11 to 20 years, second 21 to 30, third is 31 to 40 years, and last one is 41 to 50 years. In first group, that is 11 to 20 years, 3 patients were taken, 21 to 32, and 31 to 40 years, 8 patients. And last 41 to 50, the 2 patients were taken. If we see the gender incidence in the study sample, male patients are 3 and female are 12 among the 15. The sex ratio, that is the female, is higher. Case improved study sample according to the age and sex group. In first group, that is 11 to 20, 1 male, 1 female. In second, 21 to 30, that is 1 male and 1 female again. Last, the third group is 31 to 40, that is 1 male and 7 female. And 41 to 50 group, 1 male and 1 female. Results of the treatment in the study sample. Improved cases, that is 3 male and 11 female, total 14. Non-improved, that is 1 female. Distribution of cases improved by Nitrum muriaticum. Total improved cases are 14 and not improved are 1. So the Nitrum muriaticum seemed to be effective towards the management of migraine. Data analysis. My hypothesis was that homeopathic medicine Nitrum muriaticum is effective in management of migraine. Null hypothesis was Nitrum muriaticum may not be effective in management of migraine. Data of 15 cases was analyzed and outcome assessment was done on the basis of improvement of cases as improved, partially improved, or not improved. A pair t-test was applied to determine the effectiveness of the medicine before and after treatment. The result of t-test is 13.2508. So the inference or the conclusion of my data, the study provides the evidence that there is significant reduction of the disease and intensity scores after the homeopathic treatment. Therefore, nitromyriticum is highly effective in treatment of migraine. Among these cases, I want to share one case. A lady of 33-year-old come with the chief complaint that is bursting headache with nausea, vertigo in afternoon, and worse, turning the head from right to left. If we see the history of the present complaint, patient came with the complaint of pulsating and bursting type of headache, as if the brain would burst out at the forehead, and aggravation from grief, sunrise to sunset. She also complained about fullness of abdomen with nausea and feels better after vomiting and vertigo. In past history, the patient suffered from malaria at the 13 years and acute bronchitis at 25 years. If we see the family history, her father suffered with hypertension and mother with the diabetes mellitus. Patient as a person. Patient is very thirsty, aversion to meat, bowels alternate day hard and dry, sleep is not refreshing, very disturbed, profuse perspiration, and thermally chilly patient. If we see the life pace, she belongs to a middle-class family. She is the first child of her family. After marriage, in the initial stage, she has no problem. She works in a company to support her husband. At an in-laws house, she lives in a nuclear family. She has one son and one daughter. One incident happened, means everything is going very smoothly, but one incident happened with her that her husband lost big amount of money without her knowledge in business. It was shock to her. Regarding to the health issue, she is very conscious and anxious. She feels that everything has finished and didn't like to talk with anyone. It seems a shock to her, the financial loss. Her nature has changed completely. She is suspicious in everything, fear of being betrayed again. Nowadays, she weeps easily, all time in alone. Anxiety and nervousness is marked. Since childhood, she didn't like anyone contradicting her. In physical generals, pallor is present, her build-up is thin, nothing abnormal is found. In gynec and obstetric history, her menarche starts at the 14 years. Her cycle is irregular and delayed. Quantity with heavy flow, especially at night. Color is dark red color. In systematic examination, nothing abnormal detected. So on the basis of signs and symptoms, migraine is the diagnosis. In analysis and evaluation, in mental generals, fear of being betrayed, again, because her husband didn't tell her about the financial loss or whether he was investing his money. Dissatisfied from her life, elements from the bad news, suspiciousness, elements from shock, anxiety, sleep during, and consolation, aggravation. In physical generals, there is a profuse perspiration, sleep is disturbed, especially after midnight, and menstrual bleeding more at night. In particular, headache bursting as if the brain burst out, aggravation from grief, and aggravation from sunrise to sunset. As the totality of symptoms, headache started from after the betrayal. Angry when consoled. She didn't like consolation. Dissatisfied from her life, and there is the profuse perspiration. Sleep disturbed, sound sleep midnight after. During menses, bleeding more at night, and headache is bursting at forehead. On the basis of this totality of symptoms, the repertorial totality is mind elements from shock, mind consolation aggravation, mind discontent, displeased and dissatisfied, perspiration profuse, and sleep is deep midnight after. genital female menses are more at night, and head pain in general bursting. On the basis of this repertorial totality, repertorial analysis has made the mind symptoms I have repertorized from the complete repertory, and remaining particular and physicals from the Kent repertory. On the basis of this repertorial analysis, Nitramur comes prominently. Nitramur 200 was prescribed, and for further follow-ups, I remain in contact with the patient up to 6 to 8 months. Hardly I repeat Nitram muriaticum 2 times. So thank you. I want to share this simple case and this analysis for the point of view from the students and upcoming doctors, that to show the efficacy of homeopathy in management of migraine. Not the migraine, you can treat any disease with this simple technique. Just take a proper case taking, analysis, evaluation, and repertorial totality with come a prominent simillimum. This is my presentation. Thank you so much.